Right. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, online students, can you hear me? Yeah. Last class, we are trying to understand different methods available in string class. And based on each method, we have learned logical program also. Hope you all practiced. Okay. Substring based program is very important. If you want to retrieve a particular substring from the given string, you have to access what? First, you have to find the index of the string you want to retrieve. Then you have to find start and end. How to find start? Index of. How to find end? Number of characters count. Then you reach the end index. Okay, today we are going to learn the next point. Hope you practice the regular expression. Yesterday, you have sufficient time. Hope you all remember to practice regular expression. Okay, now write in one program. Okay, 1 minute. We will write the split base program after string buffer instead of writing 2 times. Okay. Now let's try to move to the next important methods, that is conversion. I want to convert. I want to convert string S1 equal to double quotes ABC to the char array, then char array CH equal to S1 dot 2 char array. Okay, S1 dot 2 char array. Next, also I want to convert to byte array. Okay, to byte array BA equal to, then S1 dot, method name is not 2 byte array, method name is what? Get bytes. Okay, sometimes I want to convert string to char array and I want to convert string to byte array. To convert char array, I have called the method to char array. For converting to the bytes, I need to call get bytes. This method is rarely we use, but this method we use in IOStream chapter. In IOStream chapter, for storing string data inside a file, I must convert this string to byte array. IOStream chapter will accept only bytes data, not string data. In order to store string data, we have to use bytes. Then system.out.println. Here what you write? Arrays dot to string of, give the char array and give the byte array. Let me write this also, char array CA. Okay, it's internally converted. Okay, this is now first one is what? Char array. Second one is byte array. Byte array means each character is converted to number, ASCII number and store. So in coming days, wherever you need to use this method, that time you have to use. Okay. Then next, I want to convert any type of value to string. For that, in string class, we have a method called value of. String dot value of. Okay, string dot value of. Look at that. Value of method is a overloaded method. It takes boolean as an argument, char as an argument, char array, double, float, int, long, object, char array. Okay. So it will accept object to all different types, all primitive types and also object. You can convert any class object also string. To convert any class object to string, I no need to use value of. I can directly use what method? To string. Okay. Now, if you want to convert a integer 10 as a string, what you call string dot value of s1 equal to, then system dot out dot println s1. Tell me, this s1 prints what? 10. Is the 10 or string 10? Double quote string. Okay. Next. Now I am writing s1 equal to string dot value of string dot value of. Now, for example, I'm writing 10.5. 10.5 is a double number here. I want to convert double number to string. Then I have to call what method? String dot value. Then we'll get 10.5. The 10.5 is what number it is? Number 10.5 string 10.5. String 10. Sir, prove that 10, 10.5 are strings. Okay. If you add 10 plus 10.5, what is the value you'll get? 20.5. Okay. Now, if you write double quotes 10 plus double quotes 10.5, what you will get? 10, 10.5. They have become what? Concatenation. Now, I am writing here S1 and here I am writing what? S2. Sorry, S1, S1. Let me take that is S1. This is S2. Okay. Then what you'll get now? 10, 10.5. That means inside S1 available 10 is not a number 10, it is what? String 10. So if you want to convert any type of primitive value into string, you have to use what? Value of method. String dot value of method I must use. Conversion operations, two conversion operations. String to char array, byte array, and converting any type of primitive value to string. Totally tell me what are the methods we have completed up to now. First operation, checking operation. Okay, in checking operation, what are the methods we discussed? Is empty, next is blank, next length, next second one, printing. I want to take printing operation. Okay, printing operation purpose. What is the method? Only one method, that is what? ToString. Actually, ToString is meant for returning all characters, retrieving all characters, but max of the time ToString will be used in the form of what? Printing only. And next, third operation is what? Comparing. Okay, comparing operation. For comparing operation, first method is what? Hash code. And next, equals. Next, okay, 1 minute. Double equal to operator. Next, equals. Next, equals. Ignore case. Next, compare to. Next, compare to ignore case. Also, we have one method called content equals. But content equals not meant for comparing two strings. Content equal used for comparing string with a string buffer or string builder. Content equals. Then yeah, these are the methods meant for comparing operation. Next one is what? Searching operation. For searching operation, what are the methods we discussed? Searching operation. First one is what? Contains. And next, index of. And next, last index of. Tell me, index of and last index of are one methods are overloaded methods are overloaded. Index of 4 forms are there. Last index of also 4 forms available. Now, the next one more method is what? 2 more methods. Starts with and ends with. Starts with and ends with. Starts with, ends with. Then next operation, searching after. Retrieving. Retrieving characters. Further, what is the first method? Caret, which returns what? One character. Next, substring. Retrieves index. We give one index, or you can say start, and one more substring method available that take start comma end. What is the important point here? Substring of start comma end, there is an important point. What is that? Start inclusive, end exclusive. That means end index character available in the result string? No. The next one more method is available, subsequence. S capital letter, subsequence of start comma end. Then these are the methods for retrieving. Next operation, what? Seventh operation? Splitting the string. Splitting the string. What is the method? Split off. Tell me, here string, is it a regular normal string or regular expression string? Regular expression string, regex. Okay. How can we identify the string is normal string or regular expression string? Double quotes is what? Normal string. If we use the same thing as what? Double quotes, square bracket, some characters double quote, square bracket if I write, then what is this? Regex. Okay. If any given character in the bracket has special meaning inside the regex, then what you write now? Slash that character double closed bracket double quotes. Okay. And then this is what? Regular expression, special characters suppressing as normal character. If you want to use a special character, regular expression, special character as a normal character, I have to use. Then how can I say regular expression starts with capital starts with, and here dash dash dash. How can I say regular expression ends dollar? So cap and dollar are having special meaning. So start and end. So already yesterday we have seen this. So this is also regular expression. Then next, today we discussed eighth operation. What is that? Conversion. Tell me, under conversion, what are the methods available? To char array. Then next, to byte array. Sorry, get bytes. Then next method, value of. Tell me, value of method is one method or overloaded method? Overloaded method. Now any type of value pass including object, it converted to string. So these are the 8 operation methods we have learnt. Hope all methods you remember? Okay. Then today onwards, the methods we are learning are the dangerous operation methods. Up to now, the methods you have discussed are just reading the data available in the string, checking the data available in the string. Simple, only 2 operations you perform. What is that? Reading and checking. Reading and checking, only 2 operations you perform. Now, very important operation. Today we are learning 9th operation, modifying. What operation? Modifying. What is the meaning of modifying? I have my string object. This is what? String object, which contains some content called what? ABC. Now, what are the different operations I can perform on this string? Number 1, concat. Okay, I want to concat extra string. Okay, also I can perform to lower case. I can convert all characters case to lower case, and I can convert to uppercase. Change the case. Okay, also I can perform replace. Okay, replace old character with a new character, or old subsequence of characters with new sequence of characters. And next, I can remove the string beginning spaces and end spaces. For performing the same trim operations, we also contains what? Strip method. Okay, trim, and we have a method called what? Strip. What is the difference between trim and strip? Almost the same, one small difference. But in the strip, there is a extra operation. In PLSQL, you have trim method. PLSQL. You can trim the column spaces. You can trim left trim, right trim, L trim, R trim is there. Na? So in Java, also we have a method called strip left. Okay. Next also we have strip right. Okay. Trim method only one method, which will remove both sides. Whereas strip, both sides you remove, strip left, strip right, only right. So these methods are the most important methods which will modify the given string. So how many operations are there modification? Number one, concat, 1 second. For concatenation operation, I also have what method? Join. Join of string character or string delimiter, comma, object where. Okay, object where or char sequence where. I think char sequence. We'll see that. I have a doubt here. Object where or char sequence where. Sorry, whatever where. Okay. Also, concatenation operation purpose we can use the method, the operator called what? Plus. Okay. Concatenation purpose we have 3. Concat plus concat join. Second one, 2 lowercase. Third one, 2 uppercase. Fourth one, replace. Fifth one, trim. Under replace, we have, okay, I will give the numbers for these two. One operation. This is third operation. This is fourth. Under replace, we have replace is there. Replace all is there. And also replace first. Okay, there are totally 3 replace methods available. Replace, replace all, replace first. So what is happening? Very, very, very important. Modifying, changing the characters available in this string is called modifying. Okay, changing the characters available in this string is called modifying string. Very, very, very important. String is immutable. What is the meaning of immutable? The changes are not, the changes result is not stored in the current string memory, in the current object memory, comma, new object is created with this result and returns. Okay, if you don't remember this point, always you will lose your marks. Compulsory asking questions among these methods. Either you call plus operator concat or join, 2 lowercase, 2 uppercase, replace, replace all, replace first, trim, strip left, strip right. All these methods will go to this string, collect the characters available and creates new string object with the result. Okay, create the new string object with the result. It will not store data. It will not store the modification result in the same object. This is what? Original string. I don't call it as a old string. I want to call it as a original string. And this is what? Result string. Okay, this is a result string object. Any of these methods you call, result is not stored in the same object. It creates what? New string object and return. This object reference is what? 1010. And this object reference is what? 2020. And that 2020 return to the program. When the program call any of these methods, when program call any one of these methods, now it will approach the current object, collect the characters and perform the modification, store the result in this new string object. That new string object reference 2020 return to the program. Okay, if you don't store this return result in the program, the result will be gone and will get always what? Original data. Now what the conclusion? If we do not store the returned result string, it will be garbage collector. Okay, it will be garbage collector. So these are the very, very important points. Clear? Right. Modifying string object data. Modifying string object data. Here write apostrophe s, the changes result. What these are all? Methods for modifying the string. We have four modifications. VA means wearer. Completed? Completed? Now, the next operation we are learning is modification. Now, when you are modifying, you should remember what is the string is immutable. Now tell me, S1 equal to double quotes. I am writing Hari. Now, S1 dot concat of, I am writing double quotes NIT. Before this concat method, I am printing the result S1. After concat method, printing result S1. What is the output? Hari NIT or Harina? Hari NIT na? Hari or Hari NIT? Only Hari. Why only Hari? Look at that. Both time we are getting what? Hari. Why? Concat method takes the characters available in S1, takes the characters available in the argument, both it will append, returns what? New string. It returns new string with what values? Hari and NIT. Did you store Hari and NIT in S1 variable? No. S1 variable still pointing to whom now? Hari only. So let me tell you complete diagram. S1 variable is there, creates what? Hari with a reference 1010 stored in S1 point. Now when I call S1 dot concat method, it will go to S1 object, read the characters available in S1, creates the new string object 2020, and all characters are stored here Hari, and then following by given argument characters are stored here NIT, and returns that 2020 to our program. Now that 2020 return to the program. Did you store the 2020 in the program? No. Then what happened? It is eligible for garbage collection. Okay. And then next here S1 still pointing to which object? S1 is still pointing to original object. Then what is the data we will get? Hari. Understood? Huh? Write down these 3 lines. Complete. For example, completed? Diagram written. Diagram is very important. Now tell me, if I want result, then what to do? I have to assign this method called to a variable s2 equal to, okay, s2 equal to s1 dot content. Now I'm printing s1, printing s2. Now tell me what is the output we get in s1, s2. S1, any change? No. It is still pointing to Hari. S2 is pointing to Hari and I. Okay. Now I don't want old value. I want only present value. I don't want old value. I want only present value. Means modified value. In the case, what I write? S1 equal to S1 dot content of NIT. Then now old string is gone. Now S1 is pointing to new string Hari NIT. From here onwards, the message with S1 always will get what? Hari NIT. Okay, na? Right. There is a very important point. S1 equal to S1 dot concat of empty string I am concatenating and assign to S2. Okay. Then I am writing system dot out dot println S1 and I am writing S2. Bolo, what is the S1 object data? Hari NIT. S2 also. Come on, concat method concatenating empty string to S1. Then what is the data we'll get into S2? Same Hari NIT. Is that empty string also will come? No. Empty string means what? Empty. Now my question is there any change in this concat method result from S1? From S1 characters to from S1 characters to S2 characters, is there any data change? At least one character change? No. When there is no characters change, concat method returns the same S1 object reference. Then if you compare S1 with S2, S1 double equal to S2, what is the result you will get? True. S1 double equal to S2 when you write, you will get result what? True. Now repeat once again. If when you call concat method or when you call any of the modification method, if the result string is equal to the current string, at least one character is also not changed. It doesn't return the new object, it returns the current object. Tell me the diagrammatic representation. Now S1 variable previously pointing to whom? Hari. With reference 1010. Then this second concat method creates new object. Sorry. This concat method creates new object and change the data to what? Hari NIT. Assume with reference is what? 4040. Now 4040 written and stored in which variable? Same variable. 1010 replaced with a 4040. This reference is gone and is pointing to this object. Okay. Then next when you call S1 dot concat of double quotes, concat method is going to this object, create the new object, copy the characters HA and IT, and last it add what? Empty string. When you add empty string, number of characters available in the new string, number of characters available in the old string or original string, or both are equal or not? When both are equal, it destroys this object, returns the same reference. Returns the same reference. What reference will get? 4040. Okay. And then S2 variable contains what value? 4040. And it is also pointing to same object. Then S1 double equal to S3 returns what? True. Both are pointing to same object. What is the important point? When you call concat method or any of the modification methods, if the present string data is not modified, at least one character change also not there in the result string, they returns what? The same old string or original string. And then both variables are pointing to same object. Now you may get a question. Sir, if both are pointing to same object, if I modify S1 dot concat of double quotes, Amir paid, then now tell me, is there any problem to S2? Problem or no problem? S3 equal to I have written system dot out dot println S1, S2, S3. Any problem or no problem? No problem. What is S1 value? Hari NIT. What is S2 value? Hari NIT. What is S3 value? Hari NIT Amirpet. Tell me, because string is immutable, when multiple variables are pointing to same object, if you modify string data by using one variable, is there any effect to another variable? No, because the result is not stored in the same object. Result is stored in the new object and return. If it is a example class object, or if it is a student class object or employee class object, if you modify object data when two variables are pointing to the same object, with one variable if we modify the data, is that modification affected to the second variable? Yes, because example object, student object, employee object are what type of objects? Mutable object. Now string is what type of object? Immutable. Because it is immutable, if we modify object data, is that modification affected to another variables? No, because result is not stored in the same object. So finally, two important points you need to understand. Number one, if you don't want to store result in another new variable, assign to the same variable. If you want to always store the result, then assign to the same variable. Second point, if you call concat method by giving empty string, present string or current string doesn't have any changes, then it returns the same current string reference. Then the new variable, old variable, both are pointing to same object. Then when we modify S1 object data, is there any effect to S2 object? No, because S1 object or string object is immutable. Modification not stored in the same object. Then S1, S2 will have the same data, Hari NIT, and S3 will contain what? Hari NIT, America. So these are the important points. What are the other way we can concat operation? We can concat another way, S1 equal to, let's say, S1 plus double quotes, let's say, Hyderabad. Okay, then system dot out dot println S1 control F11. We are getting Hari Naresh IT, Hyderabad. Okay, now we can also perform concatenation operation by using plus. Then tell me, which one is easy, which one is good? Plus operator or concat method? Which one is easy or good? Plus or concatenator? Come on, plus or? Okay, let me try to understand this. For example, I want one string with double quotes Hari plus double quotes Krishna, double quotes Krishna plus double quotes Naresh IT plus double quotes Hyderabad. If I want to concat multiple strings, then if I use a plus operator, it will become easy and clean. Okay, Hari Krishna NIT Hyderabad. If you want to concat the same string by using concat method, S2 equal to what I should write here? Hari dot concat of Krishna. Try to understand the syntax. Okay, then tell me, this concat method returns what? Hari Krishna. Then can I write on this concat method? Again, can I write here dot concat of Naresh IT? Yes. Then now what is the left side string Hari Krishna? What is the right side string Naresh IT? Total string become what? Hari Krishna Naresh IT. Then again here I can write what? Concat of double quotes Hyderabad. Then finally, what is the string? Last concat method return string will come. Same result we will get. Hari Krishna NIT Hyderabad. Everyone understand? So tell me, which one is easy for reading, understanding? With plus or with concata? With plus. So most of the time we will avoid using concat method. Always will use what? Plus. Okay. Next, there is a small problem here. Try to understand and tell me, will you feel this as a problem or not? When you print this message, I am taking Hari Krishna NIT Hyderabad. The reading is what little difficult for me. For that, what I am doing, I am going to add something like this. Observe now. Sorry, concat method I am avoiding. Plus operator I am taking. I want space as a separator. Okay, space as separator. Then again I should write here double quotes space. Yes or no? Again, I should write what? Double quotes space plus. Again, here I should write what? Double quotes space plus. That means what happened? Now, this is called, the separator is called what? Delimiter. How many times I should repeat the delimiter? One, two, three. As many words you want to separate, those many times I must repeat what? Delimiter. Is it a good idea repeating delimiter again and again, again and again? No. So again, it is become what? Redundancy. To avoid this redundancy, we have a special method is given in the string class in Java 11 version, I guess. 11 version. What is the separator you want? Space. And here you can specify words. What is the parameter type you can observe here? Char sequence of three dots means what? Words. You can write words. Here, first word, double quotes, Hari, comma. Second word, double quotes, Krishna, comma. Third word, Naresh IT, comma. Fourth word, Hyderabad. Okay, this is the way you have to write. So how many times I am writing my delimiter separator? One time, and remaining words you are write with a comma separator, and assign to join method also written the string, then assign to s1 and print. Look at that, you will get the same result. Understood? Tell me, if you want to join the strings with a separator, what is the good idea? The good idea is what? Join. Sir, if I use join method, I wanted to separate with comma as a separator. Is it possible? Or hyphen as a separator. Is it possible? Yeah. Whatever you want to use the separator, you can write the separator there. Look at there now. I am getting Hari hyphen Krishna hyphen NIT hyphen Hyderabad. How many separators you want? Those many automatically added from each word. No, sir, I don't want any separator. Then what to do? Don't want any separator? Then write what? Empty string. If I write empty string, then what you'll get? Hari Krishna NIT empty string we will get. So, which is the most easiest way of concatenating the strings by using join? Right? Sir, I have already one string available. To that string, I want a join. Okay, which string you want already? You have already. For example, now here I am writing S1 equal to double quotes Hari. Okay, sir, I have already a string available. I want concat that string with this join method possible. S1 equal to double quotes Hari. Already I have. Then what you write here? In place of Hari, I will write what? S1. And then what are the characters or what are the strings you wanted to join? Comma separator you write. Then this one also returns what? Same result. Hari, Krishna, NIT, Hyderabad. No, sir, I want a separator. Let's say separator and okay. And you can take control F11. Look at that. Hari and Krishna and NIT and Hyderabad come. So which separator you want, you can add that separator. If you have already strings in a variable, you can give what? Variable. So most of the time from which version? It is available in Java 11 version, I guess. Okay, 8 version. From Java 8 version onwards, we have join method. We can use this join method, or we can use plus operator, or you can use what? Concat method. Concat method we will use very, 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 very rare. So most of the time we will use plus operator. Nowadays people are using what? Join, because join method has more advantages. Okay, so hope you understand concat operation, everyone. Okay, can you write one small program for me? All right. Okay, this is a daytime. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So we will see later in the date chapter. Let me not include now. We'll be confused. Everyone should try all three approaches. Hope you already got the flow in your mind. How many ways we can concat first name, last name? F name plus double quotes space plus L name. This is a one approach with a plus operator commenting. Second, full name equal to F name dot concat of what you want to concat first name to space dot concat of first name space you want to concat to what? L name. You should call concat method 2 times. This is also old approach. What the new approach? String full name equal to what do you write? F name, sorry. String dot join method is a static method. You want to separate with what? Space. What? First name comma last name. Okay. What I have to print? Here I should print system dot out dot println double quotes hi plus full name welcome to narration. Control F11. First name, Hari. Last name, Krishna. Result is, hi Hari Krishna, welcome to Naresh. Any of the three approaches allowed. Which is best means I suggest join. Now you can test any one of the approach by uncommenting. In all approaches, we'll get same output. Hari Krishna. Hi Hari Krishna, welcome to Naresh IT. Now, this time, I am giving the first approach with the plus operator. Okay. Hari Krishna. Hi HK, welcome to Naresh. So whichever approach you feel comfortable, you can use that. Preferred is join approach. Completed? Online students? Did you get clarity on what you are learning? In object-oriented programming, first we create a class. Second, we create a field. Third, we create a constructor. Fourth, we will only create a method. Then we will create main method class. Next, we will only create object from the above class. We will only initialize via constructor or by calling setter methods. Then we will call business logic methods to perform operations. And last, ninth one, we will display result. This is object-oriented program. In object-oriented program, we have two parts. Number one, creation. Number two, accessing. Okay, we have two parts. Number one, creation. Number one, creation. Number two, what? Access. Now tell me. This is object-oriented programming, everything you are doing. In Java library. Currently, you are learning object-oriented programming or Java library. What the meaning of Java library? Library means already created. Library means what? Already created. When you go to college library, in college library already books available na? Are you buying again? Are you accessing? Same thing. In a Java library, we don't create, we will only access. Create main method, create object of above class, initialize it, access the business logic to perform operation and print the result. So Java library, now tell me, string handling, before you learn chapter multi-threading, these two are object-oriented programming or Java library. It is not object-oriented programming. It is what? Java library. That means in multi-threading and string handling, will you create any class? No. Fields? No. Constructor? No. Method? No. They are already available. In multi-threading chapter, all these are available in a class called what? Thread. In string handling chapter, all these are available in the class called what? String. Then what you have to do? You should create main method class. That's what I done. Initialize, okay, create object. That's what I am doing. Creating object. Initialize via constructor or setter method. Initialize internally. Then we will call business logic method. That's what I am calling. Business logic method. Business logic method. Performing operation. And now store the result in the variable and display that result. So last class, someone has asked me from your batch, 9am batch. I didn't remember her name. She told, I'm not understanding, not I, we. We are not understanding what you are teaching for last 1 week. Okay. Last 1 week I was teaching Java library. Java library means we are not creating, we are accessing. So you should know what is available, what is the purpose of string class, what is available in string class, what is the purpose of those members available in the string class, how to access them to perform operation, how to apply these methods on the particular real-time scenario to develop this logical program. This is the topic. Okay. Everyone now understand online students? Offline students? Got clarity here? What you are learning? Okay. Previously, object-oriented programming, everything you created in Java library, you are not creating anything. Tell me, you take Zomato. In Zomato, you are ordering what? Food, na? Can I say Zomato is a library? Can I say Zomato is a library? In Zomato, we have number of restaurants already. In that restaurant, you have already different foods. Are you preparing food? Already available food? Already available. Now, what are you doing? Ordering. Means, what are you doing? Accessing. You are telling to Zomato, hello Zomato, I want chicken biryani, so-and-so restaurant. Then what Zomato office boy, Zomato delivery boy is doing? He is going to that restaurant, collect that food and coming and giving you. What is that result? You are just calling the business logic method available in the Zomato by giving the arguments. What the arguments? Argument number 1, restaurant. Argument number 2, food. Argument number 3, money. 3 arguments you are giving. Then this order method is executing by the class called what? Zomato, and result is returned to you. Tell me, once the result is coming, are you taking that result into your hand or not? And Zomato is a printing method or return type method. That's what join method, concat method, join method, perform operation and return the result. The written result, what I have to do? I should store where? In the real life, in the hand, in the programming world, local variable. That is what local variable, full name. So everyone got an idea now? Babu, online students, did you get an idea now? Okay. Now, what I am doing, because people are feeling that not understanding night classes, I will teach multi-threading remaining topic later as a regular class. Okay, now let us hold them. I am uploading from today onwards. I want all the people practice Java 8 new features, Java 8 version new features. Okay, people who are having free time, daytime or night time or morning time or whatever the time you have, Java 8 new features. What is the prerequisite for Java 8 new features? Interface. I hope I explain you interface. What is interface? Why interface? Okay, what are the different members we can create inside interface? Okay, interface is having one small problem. To solve that problem, we have Java 8 new features are given: lambda expression, method reference, stream API. These are the main topics. Okay, these are the main topics. Actually, functional interface also there. Functional interface. Before functional interface, we have functional programming, functional interface, lambda expression, method reference, okay, stream API. These are the important topics for your interview. In detail, I have prepared the videos and material. Don't read material. First, you prepare what? Watch a video. After watching video, then read the material. So, end of this week, I am expecting all you people to complete these topics. Will you? Complete చేస్తారా? I'm giving 1 week time. Last, this stream API, don't read, okay? These two topics, don't study, I will teach in the class. Because first you need to know collection. What is collection? After collection completed, you can watch these topics. If you find any video, is there any problem? Let me know. If you cannot spend the time now to practice, even you can hold it later in your free time, you can complete. No objection. This is 1 week assignment. Hey. So in your free time, you can work. No free time means later, whenever you have free time, that time you work. Okay. Hope you got clarity on difference between object-oriented programming and Java library. Okay, now let's proceed. Now we understood concat method clearly, and very, very important point what? Concat method is a mutable method or immutable method? Immutable method. Immutable or mutable? Mutable. Method is mutable, object is immutable. Mutable method means what? A method that perform modification is called what? Mutable. Tell me, before concat method, all methods what you have learned are mutable methods or accessor methods are? Accessor methods. All the methods are meant for accessing the data of the object. Okay. Now, present this method what we are learning, these are what? Accessor method or mutable method? Mutable. They are changing the string content. Okay. Then returns what? New object. Okay. Now let me proceed with next method. Ready? Yeah? Next method is very important. What is that? Changing the case. Look at that. S1 equal to double quotes. Hari, I am writing. Everyone, please. Okay, let me write ABC. System dot out dot println S1. What is printed? Small character ABC. Now I am calling S1 dot to uppercase. Okay, S1 dot to uppercase. After that, I am printing S1. Everyone tell me what is output? Small ABC or capital ABC? Capital ABC, na? Wonderful, excellent. What is the result? Why? Because string is immutable. To uppercase method trying to change the characters available in S1 to uppercase. Then the result is stored in the same S1 object or in the new object. New object. Don't forget. This is again and again. You should remind yourself. S1 variable pointing to string object ABC. Reference is 1010. Pointing to it. Okay. When you call S1 dot to uppercase, S1 dot to uppercase, to uppercase method will go to S1 pointing object, read all characters, creates a new object, takes the first character change to A, second character takes B, third character to C, and reference what? 2020 return to our program. Tell me, in our program, did you store the 2020 anywhere? No. Then what happened? Return characters are lost. So this string object become what? Eligible for garbage collection. Everyone understand? Then tell me, if I want to store the return character, compulsory we should assign that method to a variable. S1 equal to S2 equal to S1 dot to uppercase. Okay, then now tell me here system dot out dot println. If I write S1 and S2, what is the result? S1 is lowercase, S2 is upper. So don't forget, string is immutable. Very, very important. String is immutable. Tell me. Now, I don't want lowercase characters. Here onwards, I want only uppercase. Assign to what? Same variable. Control F. S1 value is what? ABC. Everyone understood? Now tell me. I am writing S1 equal to double quotes BBC. Okay, double quotes BBC. Now I'm calling system dot out dot println S1 and I'm calling S1 dot to lowercase. Then tell me what happened when I call to lowercase? Capital BBC or small BBC? Here S1 prints after to lowercase method call. Small BBC or capital BBC? Capital B, small bc. Why? String is immutable. Okay. If you want to lowercase string, what to do? S2 equal to. Then S1 will be capital BBC, S2 will be small b. Don't forget, again and again remind yourself. Now I am writing something like this. S1 equal to double quotes BBC. Okay. I am calling S2 equal to S1 dot 2 lowercase. Okay. System dot out dot println S1 double equal to S2. What is the result? S1, S2 variables are pointing to two different objects or same object. Why? When you call two lowercase method, it creates a new object and return. Then S2 pointing to new object, S1 pointing to original object. Then it should be false, no? False or true, na? Why true? Already characters are in lowercase. Already characters are in lowercase. Hence, what happened? Two lowercase method returns what? Same string. So what is the result? True. Just now I told you concat method case. If concat method doesn't change the characters available in the current string, what happened? It creates the new object or returns the same current object. So when you call S1 dot 2 lowercase, it returns the same new object. Now I am writing like this. S1 equal to double quotes 1 at the rate 2 semicolon. S2 equal to S1 dot 2 uppercase system dot out dot println S1 double equal to S2. Tell me, return true or false? True or false? True. False. Girls, what is your answer? Answer true or false? Online students, answer true or false? Are you using your brain or are you using the points given up? I given 1 point. What is that? When you call to uppercase method, it will change the characters to uppercase available in S1 and return the new string object. Now what you have to verify? Whether it return the new string object or return the same current string object, or you have to check. It return the same current string object or new string object. Why? Two uppercase method trying to change the character case of one, small one, capital one, two different ones are there. Uppercase, lowercase is available to whom now? Letters, not to digit. Hey, because this is a na? This is A, right? Wait. This is small a changed to what? Capital A. Yes or no? One small a2 changed to one capital A2. Then answer is what? True or false? False. Yes or no? No? Why? That is special character. What the output? True. So two uppercase method, two lowercase method, two uppercase method and two lowercase method functionality applied only on letters, not on digits, special characters. When you call two lowercase, two uppercase method, if current string object characters are not changed, the original string reference only return, both returns what? True. Everyone understand? Paka? Already we have used two lowercase, two uppercase methods in the previous examples. Remember? Where substring method. In the substring method, I have already used two lowercase method. I am reading the original characters, but I want to compare with the lowercase. Then what he did? Original string we stored in S1 and converted character stored in S2. Comparison done with what? S2 lowercase and retrieving original characters from where now? Converted characters. Sir, converted original, S1. So because string is immutable, now original string and converted string both are available to us. So wherever you required converting string to lowercase or uppercase, there we have to use these methods particularly. Okay, now fine. So now I am moving to the next method, replace method. Hope all you people understand two lowercase to uppercase. Now I am taking S1 equal to double quotes ABC space BBC. Okay, ABC space BBC. Then here I want to replace B with a capital B. Small b replace with capital B. What I write? S1 dot replace of small b. Change it to capital B. Small b change it to capital B. And then I'm calling system dot out at println S1. And tell me what is the output here? Okay, then let me take a dollar. Okay, now I want to change it to dollar, small b to dollar. And then what is the output? A dollar C, dollar C. Correct? Huh? A dollar C, dollar C. Correct? Huh? No, no. Why? String is immutable. Again and again, remind yourself, when you call any of the mutable methods on the string object, the result is written as a new object, doesn't change the current object. If you forgot and give again and again wrong answer, then you missing the marks. Then what you write? S2 equal to S1 value ABC, BBC, S2 value is what? A dollar C. Okay, na? Understood everyone? Okay. Now I have a question. Can I, okay, let me take CBC also I am taking. ABC, BBC, CBC. Control F11. Okay, na? Now, am I allowed to modify only character? Can I modify substring? Yes. S1 dot replace of BC, I want replace. BC means character string, double quotes, two double quotes, double quotes. How many dollars I given? $1. Dollar place I am writing, say hash. How many hashes given? One hash. Then tell me what happened. Wherever BC available, it is replaced with what? Hash. One hash or two hashes? One hash. BC replaced with a one hash. Then S1 data is what? ABC, BBC, CBC. What is S2 data? A hash, B hash, C hash. Understood? By using replace method, I can replace one character, also can replace sequence of characters. Now tell me. Should I, okay, tell me, still S1 contains what? ABC, BBC, CBC only, na? Now, can I replace BC with more characters like hash, dollar, percentage, at the rate? Can I add multiple characters? Yes. Exact number of characters only should replace, not required. Look at there. BC place hash dollar percentage at the rate, again BC, again BC. So you can replace a sequence of characters with less number, equal, more number. It's up to you. Okay. Point number one. Point number two. I have a question. S2 equal to A. Okay. There is another method available called replace method, replacing one occur of BC na all occurrences of BC na all occurrences. Now there is another method called replace all. We have replace with char, replace with string, replace all with string. Then what is the difference between replace all? Observe the parameters and tell me. Replace is a normal string. Replace all is a, come on, look at the parameter and confirm. Replace is a normal string. Char sequence is a superclass of string. Okay, it is a normal string. Replace all is a regex string. Regex string. How can you say something is regex or normal string? If I give BC with a double quotes, what happened? as it is. Let me take in place of dollar for understanding. I'm writing 1, 2, 3, 4. What will come? 1, 2, 3, 4 will come. A 1, 2, 3, 4, B 1, 2, 3, 4, C 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it considered as a regex? No. Now tell me, I want to consider BC as a regex characters. Then what I have to write? Square bracket, square bracket. When I write square bracket, now it is considered as what? Regex string. Now tell me, square bracket BC square bracket, when you write with 1, 2, 3, 4, in S2, what will you get? Can you please guess and tell me? What is the result of S2? Online students, offline students not giving answers. At least can you give answer? Tejas, thank you, man. Answer is A 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. B 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. C 1, 2, 3, 4. C is also replaced with what? 1, 2, 3. A leaving. B with what? 1, 2, 3, 4. C with what? 1, 2, 3, 4. B 1, 2, 3, 4. B 1, 2, 3, 4. C 1, 2, 3, 4. Next again C 1, 2, 3, 4. B 1, 2, 3, 4. C 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Tell me, what we are telling to replace all method? Replace BC na or replace B or C na? Now, whenever I take regular expression, is considered each character as a one character. B, wherever B is available, replace. Wherever C is available, replace. So that is the important point. What is the difference when replace all? Both replace all occurrences. Replace work, take the string as a single word, and whereas replace all can work as a normal string, can accept it as a regular expression string. Now, I am writing S1 dot replace. There is another method called first. Replace first method is available. S1 dot replace first. And then here, if I write BC comma 1, 2, 3, 4, what it will do? It replace all occurrences of only first occurrence. Which first occurrence? B, C both are only B first occurrence. B first occurrence it replace. It will not touch C. Okay. Next, if I write like this and tell me which one replace, I am writing C first and then B next. Which one replaced? Wrong answer. Whichever coming first, that is replaced. Who is coming first? B only. Either C or B in the regular expression string, whichever character coming first, that is replaced. Not the order you specified in the regular expression. The order they appeared in the original string. In the current string, who is coming first? B. B is replaced. No, sir, I want C replaced, sir. Then make sure C should be first or remove the B. If you want C replaced, don't take B. Only take a C. Then C is replaced. First occurrence of C is replaced. Understand? So, if you practice a split method, then today replace method easy. Already told you. Regular expression again coming in. Replace method you have to practice. So, this is replace all, replace first method. Replace method replaces all occurrences taking the given character as it is. If you take replace all, replace first method, they replace all method, replace all occurrences, but only matching characters in the regular expression character. Tell me, if I write here, in place of double quotes, if I write dot, there is no square bracket, I didn't write. Only dot I have written. What is the meaning of dot? Dot means every character. Dot means every character. Square bracket not required. It itself is a special character. Dot is a special character. Then what it will do? Every character is replaced with 1, 2, 3, 4. Because it's a replace first, we have used only first occurrence. Okay, 1 second. Let me do one. Replace all I have to take. Look at that, every character is replaced with 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now I am taking something like this. S1 equal to double quotes ABC dot BBC dot CBC dot. Now everyone tell me output. S2 equal to S1 dot replace of S1 dot replace of single quote dot single quote 1. Okay. Then printing S1, S2. Please tell me all people output. ABC1, BBC1, CBC. Dot place 1 coming. Dot is considered as dot. Next. System dot outer println. I am passing the dot as a double quotes. I can pass as single quote, also I can pass as double quotes. Okay, one not visible properly. Let me write hyphen. Hyphen. Then what happened? Again, dot replace with what? Hyphen. Replace method will take string character as a character, normal character. Doesn't apply any special meaning. If I use S1 dot replace all first character is what? Regular expression. So now dot has a special meaning in regular expression. Then it will replace all each character with what? Underscore. You will sorry with a hyphen. All are replaced with hyphen, 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 hyphen. Understood? Next, if I call replace all place, replace first, what happened? Replace all place. I am calling replace first. Then dot first occurrence replaced. First character replaced. First character is replaced. Okay, na? I don't want replace first character or all characters. I want replace a dot by using replace all. Then what should I write here? Come on. I want replace a dot all occurrences by using replace all. Then what should I write? Dot should not be considered as a regular expression character, should consider as a normal character. Then what write? Slash slash. And here also what I write? Slash slash. Thank you, Tejas, for learning everything proper. Look at there. Dot replace with hyphen hyphen and again replace first occurrence of dot with hyphen. So this is the story about replace all, replace first method with what do you call? Regular expression characters. Okay. Now on replace method, let us try one program. Ready? Test 12 underscore replace. Develop a program to read a name from keyboard. It can be a single word or multiple words name. Convert first word, first letter as to its uppercase. And print result on console. Input output. So this is the program I want you to develop. Every word, first letter should be converted to uppercase letter. Okay, sorry, it's not first word, every word. Every word, first letter to its uppercase. Can you please correct it? Strike out first and say every. Every word, first letter to its uppercase and print result on console. Written a question? Okay, complete this task and come tomorrow. I requested 2 more days to complete string handling. Okay, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, 2 days it will take to complete. Thank you. That's all for today class. And start working on Java 8 new features. Night no class, okay? Spend the time on Java 8 new features to complete. Multi-threading remaining syllabus I'll teach after string handling complete. Thank you.